How to use UPDF Cloud. Open UPDF on the home page. Click the three dots to expand the drop-down menu. Then select Copy to UPDF Cloud to upload your PDF file. Alternatively, you can go to Cloud and click Upload to Cloud. If you need to manage your files, you can switch to your preferred view from the top left. You can also sort files by time, recent edits, name, or size. Click Search and enter the file name to find what you need. Click Refresh to update the list. To find deleted files, click the trash icon in the top left. Here, you can access files deleted within the last 30 days. Choose to restore or permanently delete them. You can also click the three dots next to the file to expand more options. Here, you can rename the file. Just type a new name and click OK. If you don't need the file anymore, simply choose Delete. To organize your files, select Move, pick a new location, and confirm with Move here. You can also make a copy of the file. Or create a new folder for better management. Add a star to mark important files, or choose Download to save them directly to your device. All these tools make file management easier and faster. Download UPDF for free and give it a try.